Hi guys, my name's Taylor with MarineMax of Dallas. Today I'm sitting on a trade-in we just received. It's a NauticStar 203 SC. Year model's 2016. It does have a Yamaha 150 motor on it. It does have 261 hours. This is a great boat for family, fishing, tubing, skiing, whatever you may want to do on it. Tons of room, tons of seating, storage under every seat as well. Over here on the dash, it does have an infinity sound system with a Humminbird 5. Does have a little bar area over here too with the sink, area to make drinks, a little cooler area under there too. Moving up to the bow, this boat's going to hold 10 people. Storage under both your seats here. Ladder up front to utilize the front of the boat there, and it does have a Livewell, so great for fishing and stuff too. If you have any questions, please come by our showroom and we'll be more than happy to show you this boat, or give us a call at 972-436-9979. Thanks.